musician Seun Kuti has dragged female celebrities and feminists in Nigeria for abandoning Senator Natasha Akpoti amid sexual harassment saga. Recall that Senator Natasha Akpoti, representing Kogi Central, accused Senate President Godswill Akpabio of making persistent sexual advances towards her. Natasha alleged that Akpabio's antagonism towards her stemmed from her refusal to lead to his advances, both within and outside the country. Seun Kuti slammed women for supporting Annie Dibia when she had issues with Tubaba, but failed to support Natasha Akpoti Uduaghan. He said,
"What that woman is saying is very serious, and the celebrities do not come out to support her in this kind of matter. The way everybody has something to say to defend Annie against Two-Face. See, this one will come concern all of us now. Because now you understand, many of these our celebs, and especially the Nollywood, in Nollywood, the actors and actresses, many of them, they be different national ambassadors. They create different things where they even get meaning. They go long time and they go stand there, ambassador this, but you don't get the thing, they don't get work, they don't get job, they don't just collect money. But I implore Nigerian women to support her in her fight for justice. I implore the famous Nigerian women to stand up. I don't know what to say about that. But the issue of sex emotion this week, also wider issue that we have to look at as African men. What can we start doing better in our society? What can we start doing better,
He however implored Nigerian women to support and fight for justice. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.